Reading Pioneers is proud to present Ricky Rabbit Learns to Share by Michael Grofsick. Little Ricky Rabbit was used to getting his way. He had all the games to himself and could pick what to play. He always had so much fun playing alone, whether it was cooking in his kitchen or making a call on his phone. One day, Ricky's parents came to him with some news. Right now, they had one son, but soon they'd have two. I don't want to share all of my toys, Ricky thought to himself. Not my shiny red car or my friendly green elf. As the big day got closer and the baby grew bigger, Ricky was just worried about sharing his digger. Then one day, Ricky was told by his mother, "By this time tomorrow, you'll have a new brother." The very next day, little Rodney Rabbit was here. His parents so happy and filled with such cheer. Back home they all went after a ride in the car. All Ricky could think about was his electric guitar. When they got home, Ricky ran straight to his toys. But Rodney just stayed with his parents and made lots of noise. As the days went by, Ricky learned he had nothing to fear. Rodney would be too young to share his toys for at least a whole year. When the time came for Ricky to share, he chose to give Rodney his stuffed teddy bear. To his surprise, Ricky found out that he really loved sharing, because, as his parents said, sharing is caring. All the games he couldn't play when he was just on his own could now be played together since his brother had grown. So they played and they played, and Ricky shared and he shared, and his parents loved to see just how much Ricky cared. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Ricky Rabbit Learns to Share by Michael Grofsick. This book was dedicated to his two brothers who taught him that sharing was the best way to show someone you love them. So if you enjoyed this book, click that thumbs up button and share this with your friends and family. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Then remember to click that subscribe button to stay up to date on all future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist over here of other inspiring books, and below that is our most recent read-aloud. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.